Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga has criticized a privileged few ZANU-PF allies and their close allies, who he said are the only ones benefiting from Zimbabwe's hard-won independence. Sanapenda mashoko aduna panapa VP Chiwenga vachifire warning shots. Ulipo subscribe like or the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mu Zim Chiti in what appeared to be another veiled yet pointed jail in the corrupt inner circle surrounding President Emerson Mnangagwa. Chiwenga warned that the country's liberation was not fought for benefit of a handful of well-connected allies, but for every Zimbabwean to enjoy. Speaking at the historic Mutapa Hall in Gweru Thursday, where ZANU-PF held its first Congress in 1964, Chiwenga repeated the anti-corruption sentiments he first voiced earlier this year at the National Heroes Acre, calling out the looting of national resources by political cronies, now dubbed Swigananda, a local slang reference for shady entrepreneurs and wheeler dealers aligned with the ruling elite. In quotes, the sacrifices made by those who gathered here at Monopotapa Hall for the first ZANU-PF Congress in 1964 were not to liberate one's village or one's province, but to free the whole of Zimbabwe, Chiwenga said. Today we must ask ourselves, is Zimbabwe truly free? When a few enjoy the wealth that was meant for all, did our comrades die for the benefit of a privileged elite? Chiwenga delivered the remarks during symbolic lighting of the independence torch to mark the beginning of the country's 45th independence celebration. And significantly, he did so deep in Mnangagwa Sea Midlands heartland, a move widely seen as a bold assertion of his own political strength amid growing succession tensions within ZANU-PF. Thomas Kwanula panapa tuna VP Chiwenga all the way from Harare vanoenda ku Midlands province mugweru vonobvunza macitizens kuti aiwa panguva inoi do we mark ourselves and ask each other kuti tine independence tiona kuti aiwa a few are just benefiting. Tikuona mashoko ationa kuti achibvunzwa napresident kumacitizens nezoona kuti VP Chiwenga havasi satisfied nevanhu macronies nezvigananda vari kungobenefita themselves vachiti aiwa everyone must be involved. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko chipinai comment section medu. Mafunguro enyu musamasubscribe or like, set on the bell icon.